parking nila. Tapos, andito yung building or yung establishment. Ay, mga villas. And then, ito part din to ng hotel or ng resort. Yan, kung company accommodation. Yan, usually may function hall din yan. Yan, mas pasok tayo. Yan, si Kuya Guard. Ito yung admin office nila. And then, ito yung pool area. Yan. Yan yung pool area. Ganda, linis. Ito naman natin yung room. Yan, so yan yung room namin, no? May balcony siya. Or whatsoever we call that one. And then, dito yung mga cottages. Yan, nandun na yung beach. Nandun dun. Tara, ito naman natin itong room. Kita natin yung room. Punta na tayo sa beach. It's a few walking distance away. Punta na tayo sa beach. Let's go to the beach. Ito na, beachfront talaga. Ganda. Ayan, tapos may mga tambayan doon. Ito may mga villas din dyan. Kaso ang hirap i-book yan. Laging full book. Gusto na yung papunta sa dagat. Ayun, nauna na sila. Ano yung mga bata. So yan, linis oh. Diba? Yan. Yan, so busy na sila. Nandiyan na sila yung lahat. Hey! You're the only ones in the beach. Ako, nagpudo me! Nagpudo! Ah! Nagpudo! So ayan, dito na tayo sa titignan natin yung room, no? Dito sa Eden, yung binook ko na room is good for 4. Okay, maluwag naman. And then fronting the cottages going to the beach. So yeah, tara, tignan natin. This is a garden villa. Ayan, so may TV, split type aircon, king size bed. Yan, nagpadagdag ako ng mattress. Saka dito, and then may portable freezer or ref. And then dito naman, may free water siya, no? Tapos dito naman yung bathroom niya. Yan, ganda ng bathroom, no? Diba? Perfect. Sakto lang pang family. So, binook ko to sa Agoda. Mga price is around 5.5. So, yan. So, yan guys. Maganda dito. The best. So, yan. Ito na yung dagat. Yan. Busy na sila. Nagkakalkal. Mga minero. Asawa ko. Excited mag-bathing suit. Oh. Yung anak ko. Lahat na naman ang gagawin. Emotional. Oh. Masyado dinidibdib yung grades. Mababa daw siya ngayon sa science. Ayan, nag-emote. So, ayan. So, ayan, linaw ng tubig, oh. Kitang-kita mo. Recommended sa kids. Ayan, si Rafael, nag-enjoy. Bap! Di, wag na! Pwede naman! Oh, Busoy. Having fun?
My fucking outside!
Ha? Oh. You having fun?
No, yan, masakit sa mata yan.
Enjoy lang. Maganda, walang tao. Gaano pa? Maya ka siguro.
Ano tawag doon?
Hindi, I mean, hindi siya crowded. Rain. Lakad-lakad muna tayo. Nakamiss naman sa probinsya, ganito dati. Mga bandang high school pa. Saturday, Sunday. Sa dagat, ganito ginagawa ako. Jogging naman. Yan, dilim-dilim pa. Nagsapulti ko si May. Bis na. Morning, baby. Oh.
This is moving.
Huh? Your pet who? The crab?
Yeah.
Where? This one. Oh yeah, it's moving.
Yeah, he's trying to get out.
Hi, dude.
He's trying to get out.
So what's the name of the pet? SpongeBob?
No.
No.
Krabby Patty.
Krabby Patty, good morning. Happy birthday, baby loves. Oh, are you going? Huh? Go swimming na? Aga pa. That's okay, it's a birthday. So where's the beach? Here. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, compadre. Let's go. Hindi na. Sige na. Mamaya na yan. Tanggalin mo na doon mamaya. Okay lang. May maapak ka din ng sun, di ba? Di ba?
It's not hot.
Ha?
It's not hot.
Yeah, we gonna swim na. And then after mga 7 a.m. or 7:30.
Go home.
No, wait, breakfast first before we go home.
I got a dog then.
Oh yeah, there's a dog. Be careful with the dog.
It's not biting.
Yeah, it's not biting. It's not gonna bite you. I'm gonna eat him. Joke lang. Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
So big.
Oh. Oh, why?
It's a giant wave.
No, it's not. Come on. Remove your slippers na. Why? Yay! Good morning, baby loves. Happy birthday. What? You need to ligo muna in the water. You need to ligo muna. There's Kuya Bap na, oh. Kuya Bap, is it cold? Ha? Punta ka na? O, tingnan kay Dadad. Smile. Smile. Tingnan kay Daddy. Yan. O, Bap. Smile ka, Bap. O, Rain. Smile. Tingnan kay Daddy. So, oh. Kuya is there na, oh. Kuya swimming na. Wow! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Raring! Happy birthday, Raring! Happy birthday, Raring! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Raring!
Toy lang na naman. Okay.
Yay!
Picture mo.
Okay na.
Yay! Picture mo.
Okay na.